Today on CJ Off-Road, we've got some rugged ridge tube doors and we're going to make them a little bit more comfortable. If you've added a set of tube doors to your off-road rig and are looking for some more comfort, today we're going to be installing a set of these rugged ridge contoured tube door armrests fitting your 2007 to 2018 Jeep JK Wrangler. These contoured armrests are constructed of a durable polyfoam construction that's both weatherproof and UV resistant. They simply attach using a 3M adhesive on the back and fit most 1.5 inch to 2 inch diameter tube doors. This is going to be a great investment if you already have a set of the rugged ridge tube doors or another brand and are looking for that next level of comfort. These armrests are going to work on either side for your front doors, as well as if you have a four-door, they're going to work on your rear doors. With that being said, we're going to get them installed on the front pair of our 2012 Jeep Wranglers rugged ridge doors. The installation for these contoured armrests requires no tools at all. However, you're going to want to sit inside your vehicle, set the seat to the right height and the right driver length for you, get comfortable, and then set them onto the tube door. And now, as you can see, if I have them up too far, this isn't really that comfortable. It's going to hit the back of my arm. Set it into a place that's pretty comfortable for you, and then you're going to pull them off. And what you're going to want to do is pull off the backing of this 3M adhesive, get that pulled off, and set it exactly where you had it on the tube door. We just pulled the 3M adhesive off the back, press firmly on these for about 30 seconds, and they're in the proper place for me. The install time for each side is going to be about a minute. Hardest part is figuring out where you want this contoured armrest. I think it's going to be really nice though for those long rides on the beach or when you have your tube doors on. Now you can find these as well as many other great parts for your JK right here at cjponyparts.com.